Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick video to show you like a hack you can do if you're working with wood and you have holes from nails or screws or anything like that, if you want to cover up. So if you don't have the proper stuff to fill in the holes, you can use this. So let me try to flip the camera around. Okay, so you notice that I have several screw holes from screws right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some wood glue, I'm gonna take some saw debris, I'm gonna mix that up, and you can fill in the holes using that. It's gonna save you some money because when you use different piece of wood to cut, you collect all the sawdust. Just collect the sawdust, and you can fill in these holes with the glue. So let me show you how that take some wood glue. I'm sorry, I'm recording this on my phone, so okay, so you'll take some wood glue. There we go. There you go. Get you a good amount of wood glue. All right. Take some sawdust from your saw, and we're gonna mix that together. Good amount of that. Let's walk over here. Get us one of these. So after we put the sawdust on the inside the glue, we just want to mix it up like this. Mix it up. Add a little bit more glue. And try not to get the glue actually in the sawdust. That'd be a bad day. So we'll put a little bit more glue on it. Continue to mix it. And what you're looking for is just a sawdust paste, something like a little paste. All right, so once you got your sawdust and your glue, just come over here, find a hole. It was a nail hole or a screw hole. Put our glue in there with our sawdust. The mess won't matter. So there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I just wanted to show you, you don't have to go out and buy anything. You can use sawdust and glue. Typically, if you work with wood, you'll already have glue. And just gonna let that dry. Once that dry, you can sand it. And once you sand it, you won't be able to tell that a screw or nail there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, like always, like, comment, share the video for more videos like this. And I do have a video on how I made this bench right here with the storage at the bottom. So if you want to see that video, that will be coming out soon. Please like, share, and I'll see you next time.